how many atoms are there in 120 grams of magnesium hydroxide? Okay, so this is another example on molar mass. We're supposed to tell the number of atoms, and the information given to us here is in grams. Now, this is the pathway. For you to get the number of atoms, you must use Avogadro. Okay, and because you must use Avogadro, you have to use moles. Avogadro does not work with grams. So you must go from grams, all right, to moles. Then from moles, you multiply with Avogadro. Then you get the number of atoms. Okay, that's the pathway we must take to answer this question. So let's start. First step, we must go from grams to moles. How can we go from grams to moles? 120 grams of magnesium hydroxide. Earlier I told you that the entire idea behind molar mass is to find out the mass of 1 mole. So let's find out the mass of 1 mole of this. Simply arithmetic sum of this plus this twice. So magnesium here is given as 24. So we'll go 24 plus what we'll have next here is oxygen and hydrogen. Oxygen 16, hydrogen 1. Okay, so 16 plus 1, that's 17 times 2. So I'll say 17 times 2, 34. So 34. This sums to 58 gram per mole. Okay, this means that 1 mole of magnesium hydroxide. Oh, I did not multiply. All right, I did that. Okay, so this means that 1 mole of magnesium hydroxide will weigh 58 grams. Okay, so 58 grams to 1 mole. Now we have 120 grams to deal with. So 120 grams would be to how many moles? We cross multiply 120 times 1 divided by 58. So 120 times 1 all over 58. Super easy. So we'll just say 120 and then we hit the division sign there. Divide 58, right? That's equal to 2.0689. Let's just call that 2.07. So we have 2.07 moles. Okay, now we're at the stage. Now from here, we'll multiply with Avogadro number. We'll say 2.07 times Avogadro number is 6.02 times 10 raised to the power 23. Very easy. So I won't use this. Let's use the approximated value. 2.0 what? 07. Okay, multiplied by. I'm not going to multiply by everything. I will just use this part 6.02 times. We have 6.02. All right, that is 12 point. All right, 12.4614 times 10 raised to the power 23 atoms. It's as easy as this. Always get the map well. You must always use moles with Avogadro. So the worst you can get, maybe mass like this, you convert it using molar mass, and then we are good to go. Super easy.